Setting up accounts allows you to have special pricing for that specific account, generate and send invoice, as well as run account-specific ride reports. To set up a new account, you would click on Accounts here on the left-hand menu. Once here, you can click on this green New Account button on the top right. Here's where you will enter the account information such as company name, company legal name, and account ID. If you do not have an account ID, EverTransit will automatically generate a string of letters and numbers for you. You also have the option to add any internal notes. These are only viewable by your dispatchers and administrators. Under contact information, enter the email and phone number of the point of contact for that account. When creating new accounts, EverTransit will automatically select the retail service levels that you have already created to be imported into the new account. You do not have to select these. To remove them, simply uncheck the boxes next to each service level. If you do not select any pre-created service level, you will have no service levels in the account and will have to add them yourself. Once you have entered the information here, you would finish saving it by clicking the green Save button. And there you have successfully created your first account. There are 6 different tabs you can choose from after creating an account, and we will review each. Company. The Company tab has information that you first entered, such as the company name, legal name, account ID, and contact information. You also have the option to upload a logo for this specific account. Members. The Members tab is where you will list the customers that are members of that account. What that means is that any customer that is listed under members will be eligible for the account special pricing, as well as have the ability to have rides charged to a corporate card or invoice, and we will cover this shortly. There are 2 important notes here. A member must first be added in the customer section before being added to an account members list. And then 2, the members are identified by their email address, so make sure the email in the customer's profile matches the email in the members list. To add a member, you would click on the green Add a Member button here. You would enter their phone number, the first and last name, and their email address, which is required. Once done, you click the green Save button. You also have the option to upload your own customer list or download the customer list for each account. If you'd like to upload, you can always click on Upload and download a sample here, so you have an idea of what the Excel spreadsheet looks like. Pricing tab. The Pricing tab is where all of your account-specific service levels are. If you imported any retail service levels, you will see that they are all here. To add a new service level, however, you will click the green New Service Level button. And as we did the first time around, you will enter the information. Here you will enter the custom pricing for this service level. To learn how to input pricing, you can view our Onboarding Part 1 video on how to create a service level. Under the Billing tab, you will be able to enter in information of the billing contact. This section is important when creating invoices for a specific account. You will not be able to create an invoice unless you have a billing contact entered. Accounts can also have their own billing preferences under their own private section. Under billing preferences, you will be able to select the trip settlement methods. These are the only allowable payment methods to close out a trip for this specific account. You can choose from cash, external, invoicing, or credit card. For credit card, you can choose either corporate card on file or personal card. If you select corporate card on file, you will have the option to enter in the corporate credit card information to be saved on this account. Once all of the information is entered, be sure to click the green Save Contact button. Invoicing. This tab allows you to set specific terms and adjustments in regards to the account invoice setting, such as due after, payment terms description, or total price adjustment. Appearance is where you can add text to be included on the invoice, such as customer note section, as well as information to appear in the terms and conditions section. Preferences is where you have the option to include rides that are paid in cash, credit or externally on the invoice. Once you're done here, be sure to click on the green Save Change button. And then the Reports tab lets you run weekly reports or custom reports for the rides that were taken by members of the specific accounts. You can click the Generate Report button next to a weekly report, and you will be emailed your report, as well as have it automatically download to your browser. The same goes for if you can generate a custom report. And this is how you set up accounts.